I've traveled through the darkness dreary, far over hills and valleys and across the desert sand. But I've landed safe at home where I shall not grow weary. I'm camping in Canaan's happy land. Every day I'm camping in the land of Canaan, heaven's rapture, awesome face, wonders, beauty grand. Glory, hallelujah, I found the land of promise. I'm camping in Canaan's happy land. Yes, I've reached the land of promise with its scenes of glory. My journey ended in a place so lovely and so grand. I've been led by Jesus to this blessed land of story. I'm camping